Today we're hanging out in Natick, Massachusetts with the Antique Outboard Club, and we're running a 1953 Scott Atwater 10 horsepower Gold Pennant. This was a 1 year only engine. Some people call it a pumpkin seed engine because of the shape of the cowling. I'm pretty fond of them. I like the shape, and they're good running engines. They made this 10 horsepower for quite a few years at this point, and then quite a few years after. This is the last year before they went to the Bell-O-Matic, and again, it was 1 year only. So let's go for a ride, and then maybe we'll talk about it a little bit more when we're done. I really like these 10 horsepower Scott Atwaters. They run well, they get plenty of power. They're generally smooth, even though this one does not have any shock mounting at all on it. These generally have the reputation of being loud, but this one is really not. I find that the cowling, if you get it to fit right in the center band, they don't vibrate much. Definitely at high speed, they have a little bit of a rap tone, but if you back up on the throttle, you might have seen in the video, if I go about 3/4 throttle, it quiets right down. You just lose a couple miles an hour. But a great little engine. This one's all original. Run them if you got them.